Popeye's Big Deal Combo. Choose 2 delicious tenders or a chicken slider with small fries and a drink, plus a biscuit for just $5.99. You may even feel like a big deal when you get a deal this big.
Love that chicken from Popeyes.
Kids outgrow their clothes as fast as you buy them. So save money shopping back to school on Amazon. You guys are almost as tall as me. Oh, have a great day.
On El Paso.
The crunch is calling. Make tonight taco night with Old El Paso.
There's a point where the wild tells you to turn back. That's the point where many stop. And where Canadians keep going.
Burger King Canada has an elevated Whopper and new fries, so they invited fans and skeptics to try it.
Wow. Perfect flavor on this one. Really Very good. Crispy. This is actually really good, man. Told you.
Get a Whopper meal for $8.49 only on Wednesdays.
Stomach trouble?
A bottle of our finest Pepto-Bismol.
When you have nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea.
Great vintage, huh?
And it pairs well with everything. Pepto-Bismol.
Hold your applause. We're here.
M&M's needed on set.
I'm Red Pool. What?
Cut. When did the snacks start auditioning?
Was that a note? M&M's and Marvel. It's more fun together.
Still waiting to figure this out? End the waiting game. Felix connects you with a doctor online, so you can get a weight loss treatment plan that's right for you. Get started for free at felix.ca. Felix, we'll see you now.
Nothing beats the return of the Tim's Grilled Cheese Melt. Well, except if you add bacon to it. The classic you know and love with a little something extra. Enjoy a Tim's Bacon Grilled Cheese Melt. Mmm, bacon.
This is the Tom Green Farm.
They strike alluring poses in store windows, motionless models flaunting the latest fashions. For clothing retailers, mannequins are a vital sales tool.